Today we're going to learn about possessive pronouns. These words help us talk about possession. That means when something belongs to someone. Possessive pronouns are very useful because they replace a possessive adjective plus a noun, so we don't repeat the noun again. Let's look at an example. We say, "This is my cap, this is mine." In the first sentence, my is a possessive adjective and cap is the noun. In the second sentence, mine is a possessive pronoun. It replaces my cap. Here are more examples. This is your dress. This is yours. This is his suit. This is his. This is her scarf. This is hers. This is our house. This is ours. These are their books. These are theirs. As you can see, possessive pronouns help us avoid repetition. Now, let's learn the list of subject pronouns and possessive pronouns. I'm mine, you yours, he his, she hers, we ours, you yours, they theirs. Notice that for he, the possessive adjective and possessive pronoun are the same, his, but for she, they are different, her, adjective, and hers, pronoun. Also, we do not normally use a possessive pronoun for it. Let's review all the pronouns together so you can see the difference clearly. Subject pronouns, I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Object pronouns, me, you, him, her, it, us, them. Possessive adjectives, my, your, his, her, it's, our, their. Possessive pronouns, mine, yours, his, hers, ours, yours, theirs. For example, I have a bag. The bag is mine. She has a watch. The watch is hers. They have sunglasses. The sunglasses are theirs. Now let's use some fashion vocabulary to practice. Words include scarf, bag, boots, bracelet, handbag, necklace, raincoat, glasses, ring, hat, gloves, sunglasses, watch, umbrella, earrings, trainers, tights. We can make sentences like, this is my scarf, this scarf is mine, that is her handbag, that handbag is hers. These are our boots, these boots are ours, those are their trainers, those trainers are theirs. Let's make short conversations. Is this your bag? Yes, it's mine. Are these her glasses? Yes, they're hers. Is it their umbrella? No, it isn't theirs, it's ours. You can see how natural possessive pronouns sound in conversation. We can also use some useful verbs with these words. For example, I wear my watch. This watch goes with my bracelet. That necklace is on sale. They have a sale in a clothing store. I like this dress. It just goes together with my boots. We're using possessive pronouns. This watch is mine. Those earrings are hers. These gloves are ours. So, remember, possessive pronouns replace a possessive adjective and a noun. Instead of saying this is my bag again and again, we can say this bag is mine. This makes your English clearer and more natural.